Global industrial configurable cabinets are a flexible, modular platform designed to improve efficiency and adapt to changing workflows. They are fully customizable, heavy-duty, and easy to configure. The cabinet system provides many accessory options such as bins, louver panels, solid shelving, pull-out work surfaces that create instant workspace or bring tools closer to the task, modular drawer systems, janitorial kits and hooks for organized cleaning storage, wardrobe bars, pegboard panels, and more. And when your facility changes, your cabinets keep up. Multiple heights, widths, door styles, and mobile or stationary bases let you reconfigure without starting over. Need a new cabinet layout? Accessories can be swapped or rearranged, eliminating the need to replace the cabinet itself, resulting in less waste and a lower total cost of ownership over time. Choose from flush, ventilated, clear view, or locking door styles, including keyed or electronic options. A totally customizable storage solution that evolves with your workplace. We can supply that.